So let's go into formulae now. So let's just delete this. I'll just show you how to add, subtract, all the basic things. So typing in some numbers here. Supposing I want to add these together. Let's make this one a bigger one, so it's going to be easier. So 9 plus 9 and then 2. So this is column is number 1, or first number. So now we can add, I'll do add, subtract, multiply, divide. So first you can see this cell now, what I've input is too long for that column. So we need to widen the column. One way of doing that is to move the cursor between the two till it does that special cross thing with the two arrows. Left click and then you can drag it to whatever length, width you like. That's obviously way too long. Or if you when you move that cross thing, if you just double click, it automatically does it. And then, or you can do all your columns in the whole spreadsheet at once. Just click there and then double click, and then it does them all to the correct length if there's something in here. That's why I didn't change that number. So let's type in a few random numbers. Let's keep it simple because we don't I don't know how good your maths is. So we're adding these two together. So what we need formulae. So what we do is you press the equal sign, then you move the left arrow to there, then plus, and then the other one. Just select the cell you want to add up and then enter. So 9 plus 2 equals 11. That is correct. Suppose you want to subtract them. So again you do equal. Select the first number, then minus, select the second number, enter. 5 minus 4 equals 1. That is correct. Now suppose you want to multiply. So 5 sevens are 35. So let's see if Excel can get this right. So click on it, equal, then 5. Now unfortunately they don't have a proper times symbol. When I used to write it, I always used to write X, but of course X is a letter. So the one that Excel uses is star. So if you press, you should have a star. If you've got a numeric keyboard, you'll find a star above the 9. Otherwise it's shift 8. So star for multiply, and then click or select the number you want to multiply it by. Press enter. There we have it, 35, which is correct. Now 4 divided by 8 is actually half. So let's see if it gets this right. So then 4, then press the divide button, which is under the question mark in the keyboard section, or it's above the 8 in the numeric keyboard, and then there, 0.5, which is correct.